Right everyone, we're getting a few birds ready to be shipped. These ones are going up to Middlesbrough to TJ Foster. So we're sorting them out, give them a bit of water for the trip so they don't dehydrate. They're all trot up there. And we're getting them packed and done. Starting with his birds in here, he's got a trio of Koshamos from Germany.
Nice bird, isn't he?
Lovely little bird, isn't he? Little cockbird in there. Then he's got another trio in there as well, 2 trios. That's another pair that's available. Anybody in the UK watching?
These are going to Middlesbrough. They both going to Middlesbrough?
Both going to the same man in Middlesbrough, TJ Foster he is. He's bought the 2 trios.
And TJ's got these ones, yeah?
Yeah. 2 real nice sets of cows, I think.
They are very nice birds, yeah.
Probably should be pick them up any minute.
These ones, Mike, still available.
Them ones are still available, so anybody watching from the UK on the YouTube channel, them ones are still available. I can ship anywhere in the UK as well. That's another one of these birds. Real nice little stack. Lovely bird. Goes in there. Keep me up a second, that bird, so.
Better look at him, yeah.
Better look at him, but like there's always ends. All in lovely condition. All very healthy.
These birds are packed up, ready to go.
Should be with him tomorrow.
Feral run Middlesbrough. But they keep them overnight and they might then travel again the next day.
That's why you got to have a bit of water or something in there with them. Put a bit of corn in there with them as well, so they don't get the other end. Hey, look at it. It's one little bird. There's a nice hen there as well. 2 imports. She's a nice hen from Germany. Yeah, that's what's left, and them ones have gone already. So, like I said, everybody give me a message. Them ones are still available. These are being shipped off tonight. Going in a bit. That's it. I'll make another video. I've got some birds coming over soon, which I'll do another video on. I have some more birds available, some Jap Shamos, some big toy ones and stuff like that. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you get updates and everything from what's coming in next. Thanks everyone.